Hello everyone. Now today we will discuss about more regarding Iupac nomenclature. In the previous class we have seen about the alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids and ethers. Now today we will discuss about the esters and some of the examples regarding the different functional groups. So let us start with this new lecture. Now if you will having the some compounds like benzene. This is the aromatic compound which can have the benzene as a main nucleus. And when we are adding OH to it, all of you know well, it will become phenol. And if this phenol will attach with the CH3 group, that will become O-cresol. O stands for ortho position. As you have already seen in the junior class that if you are having a functional group present over here like OH, this is the ortho position, this is another ortho position, this is meta position, this one is meta position, and this position is para position. So you can easily understood what is the meaning of O means ortho, M means meta, and P means para position. So accordingly we have to write that O, M and P. Now when the OH is present along with CH3, this is called cresol. And you can easily see that it is O-cresol. And when you want to make the M-cresol, so you have to try by yourself. That is, you will take the OH and at the third position, you will write CH3. So that will become M-cresol. And if you want to make the pre-cresol, so in that case, you have to write down the OH and then write CH3 at the para position. So in that manner, you will get the ortho, meta and para cresol. So these structures are very important regarding the another point of view also whenever you will doing the chemical properties or the chemical reactions related to the particular functional group. Now, if the two OH groups are present, one more thing, if you want to do the nomenclature for this compound, now I think you can do very well. If it is the phenol, this group is phenol group. So the number one, because in the priority rule, the OH will be get the preference. So at the second position, CH3 group is present. So you can say it is 2-methyl phenol. What was that? 2-methyl phenol. And if you are having at the third position, so you may write 3-methyl phenol. Similarly, when it is present at the fourth position, it is 4-methyl phenol. So likewise, you can do your nomenclature practices with the various compounds. Now see, if the two OH groups are present at the different positions, one position पे तो possibly नहीं है, two positions पे अलग-अलग. Again, you can easily see it is ortho position, O position, this is M position, and this is P position. The OH will be present at the ortho, meta, and para position separately. So if you will do the Iupac nomenclature, so what will that? 1, 2. So it is benzene 1,2-diol. What was that? Benzene 1,2-diol. Now here it is benzene 1,3-diol. Now you can do it by yourself. You may write down it is 1,4-benzene diol because two OH groups are present over here. Now if we will see the common name, it is catechol. This is resorcinol if it is 1,3. And if it is at the para position, it will be known as hydroquinone. So in that manner, you can do the common name of few compounds also. So cresol, catechol, resorcinol, hydroquinone. Now the next one is the ether one. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the ether, that is ROR dash group is present. So you can easily find out that it is symmetrical one or it is unsymmetrical one. Now you can easily find out. Yes, it is. Yes, it is unsymmetrical ether because two R groups are different and present on the either side. Now this is called phenitol. Actually, it is ethoxybenzene. What is that? It is ethoxybenzene. Ethoxybenzene because O2H5 is ethoxy group, but the common name is phenitol. And when you will see the benzene along with OCH3 group, it is methoxybenzene And what was the common name? In the previous lecture we have seen, it is anisole. So these common names of the few compounds are very, very important. So you should know about these and do practice in your copies. Now, the some functional groups contain the tertiary butyl group, secondary butyl group, or isobutyl. You will repeatedly see that these words will be repeated in the organic chemistry. So now today we will discuss about what are these. So in the butyl group, you know well that 4 carbon atoms are present. And this particular group is the tertiary butyl group. Tertiary butyl, this is secondary butyl, 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the second position, substitution will be there. And this is isobutyl, in which there is a branching takes place of the 1 carbon atom. This is an isobutyl group. See, how can we use these compounds? Suppose you want to write down the tertiary butyl alcohol. So you have to write down OH over here. This will become tertiary or TERT, tertiary butyl alcohol. अगर आपको लिखना है tertiary butyl bromide, so you may write BR here. That is tertiary. This group is tertiary group. आगे जो भी ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होगा आप उसको अटैच करते जाएंगे. अब जैसे अगर आपको लिखना है secondary butyl, तो in secondary butyl you will write down this chain, and this one position is occupied by the, suppose secondary butyl लिखना है तो OH group आ जाएगा secondary butyl. Means this position will occupied for the secondary butyl. और अगर आपको लिखना है tertiary butyl, तो tertiary butyl we have done isobutyl. So this group is isobutyl group that I have told you later. This is a secondary tertiary isobutyl. Isobutyl में यहाँ लगाएंगे तो ये बन जाएगा isobutyl chloride. OH लगाएंगे तो बन जाएगा isobutyl alcohol. So in that manner, you can make the various compounds like tertiary butyl, secondary butyl, and isobutyl. So repeatedly, this butyl group will be asked, so that I am explaining this. Now, see, अगर हमें structural formula लिखना है, structural formula का मतलब है कि आपको Iupac nomenclature is given to you. Iupac nomenclature आपको provided है. Now, how can you write the structural formula अगर Iupac nomenclature हमें दिया हुआ है? So first of all we have to see कि chloro, methyl, these are the substituent present in the chain. और chain आपको यहाँ से मिलेगी pentane. Pentane means 5 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atom you have to write down in this manner. Then from either side you may give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, at the second position there is chloro. At the third position there is methyl. Ups and down आप कहीं भी लगा सकते हैं. Now this all the functional groups and the parent chain we have written. So you know well carbon is tetravalent, so you have to fill the position by hydrogen atom. जहाँ जहाँ आपको हाइड्रोजन एटम जितने चाहिए आप कार्बन की 4 वैलेंसी पूरी करके you may write down the structural formula of the particular compound. 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane. So what is cyclohexane? This is cyclohexane. Again you can write down the numbering from either side. कहीं से भी लिख दीजिए. First position is occupied by the chloro and the fourth position is occupied by the methyl. So this is the structural formula of this particular compound 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane. Now 4 tertiary butyl. Now you can easily find out कि how will you write down this tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl 3 iodoheptane. Heptane में 7 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 carbon atoms are present. And at the fourth position 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the fourth position there is iodo group. At the third position there is iodo group. And at the fourth position there will be tertiary butyl group. So what was the tertiary butyl group? So this was the tertiary butyl group we have write in this manner. बच्चों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम आता है ये कि कैसे लिखेंगे tertiary butyl. तो पहले आप tertiary, secondary, iso इनकी प्रैक्टिस कर लो और उस ग्रुप को वहां उस पोजीशन के ऊपर अटैच कर दीजिए. अब कार्बन की वैलेंसी, then CH2, here it will be CH, there will be CH, here it is CH2, CH2 and CH3. So that will be the structure formula for this compound 4-tertiary butyl 3-iodoheptane. Now see 1,4-dibromo-but2-ene. 1,4-dibromo-but2-ene. So what will it do? But2-ene 1, 2, 3, 4. ये हो गया 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Second position is occupied by double bond. And the 4-4-dibromo. 4-4. तो 4-4 means 4 फोर्थ पोजीशन पे 2 ब्रोमीन है क्योंकि डाइब्रोमो लिखा है तो 4,4-डाइब्रोमो-but2-ene हो गया. अब हाइड्रोजन की वैलेंसी, कार्बन की वैलेंसी CH3, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा H, अगेन देयर विल बी H and CH. So that will be the normal structural formula of this particular compound 4,4-dibromo-but2-ene. Now the last one you can see that will be the 1,4-डाइब्रोमो था यहाँ पर. तो 1,4-डाइब्रोमो में फर्स्ट पोजीशन के ऊपर Br आ जाएगा और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा CH2. ये स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा. सी अगेन 1,4-डाइब्रोमो. तो 1,4-डाइब्रोमो में फर्स्ट पोजीशन के ऊपर देन सिंगल बॉन्ड CH, double bond CH and then CH2Br. So this is 1,4-dibromo-but2-ene. 1-bromo-4 secondary butyl. 1-bromo-4 secondary butyl 2-methyl benzene. That means we have to draw the benzene first. हमने ये benzene draw किया. अब क्या है 1 फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे Br, फोर्थ पोजीशन पे सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल. सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप कौन सा था? CH3, CH2, CH3, CH and then CH3. That is the secondary butyl group and 2-methyl benzene. ये बन गया स्ट्रक्चर. तो अगर आप ये प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी आइसो, जनरली यह है जो आपके एग्जाम में या कहीं पर भी एज ए सब्स्टिट्यूएंट पूछ लिए जाते हैं. तो यू कैन इजीली राइट डाउन कि व्हाट विल बी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी एंड आइसो ग्रुप. Now you can do more examples regarding the alcohols. This is methanol. Here you can easily write down it is 1, 2, 3. So it is propane 1-ol. That is as a first position OH group is present. Here you can easily write down what is that? Propane 2-ol. Yes, it is propane 2-ol. Now here you can take it is butane 1-ol. It is butane 2-ol. It is secondary butyl alcohol is the common name. Secondary butyl alcohol is the common name of this compound. And what is that? This is 1, 2 and 3. Second position is occupied by the CH3 group. So what is the nomenclature? 2-methyl propane 1-ol. In the second lecture, in the first lecture, we have discussed about all these functional groups. So it is 2-methyl propane 1-ol, or you can easily understood it is now isobutyl group. So this is isobutyl alcohol. Now, in the next one, you can see it is a tertiary butyl alcohol. And what will be the nomenclature? It is the 1, 2 and 3 carbon atom chain. That is the longest chain containing OH. This one will be the substituent and this is the functional group. So it is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol, जिसको हम कंडेंस्ड फॉर्म में ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. और ये आता है आपके कंपटीशन में कि ये कंपाउंड दे दिया and you have to write down the nomenclature for this compound. So it is you have to write down in a full structure formula and then do the numbering in this manner. Take the longest chain and that will become 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Now here the 3 OH groups are present. So it is 1, 2 and 3. So what will be the nomenclature? Propane 1, 2, 3 triol. अगर वो 2 OH है तो diol और अगर 3 OH है तो triol. And this compound is nothing, it is glycerol. This compound is glycerol in which the 3 OH groups are present, जिसे हम ट्रेड नेम बोलते हैं ग्लिसरीन. तो ग्लिसरॉल या ग्लिसरीन आ जाए तो वो भी यही कंपाउंड है आपका. It is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Now we will see what will be the nomenclature for the ester groups. First of all, you should know what is the meaning of ester group. So this is an ester group in which COO group is present, which is a derivative of carboxylic acid. You know well that esters are formed by the carboxylic acid and the alcohols, and they are having the fruity smell. Now see how can we do the nomenclature for this compound. In this case, R dash group will be taken as alkyl group. And whenever this group is present, it will be considered as alkanoate. तो जहां कहीं भी OH आ जाएगा इसका मतलब एस्टर है, और एल्केन के साथ में OH है तो इसका मतलब COO इसके साथ में अटैच है, और एल्काइल ग्रुप अगर है तो वो इसके साथ में अटैच है. जैसे कि अगर हमें लिखना है स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला फॉर मिथाइल इथेनॉइट. नाउ यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टूड. इथेनॉइट का मतलब है कि द 2 कार्बन एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन दिस मैनर अलोंग विद दिस ग्रुप 1 and 2. So that will become ethanoid, and the methyl group is present like this, so it will become methyl ethanoid. Okay, now if we are having such kind of the compound, जैसे अगर हमने लिया ये कंपाउंड ले लिया, अब देखिए ये इसके साथ में प्रेजेंट है और ये CH3 अलग है, O के साथ में है. सो ये तो नॉर्मल हो गया, इट इज मिथाइल, एंड व्हाट इज दैट, इट इज मिथाइल बेंजोएट. बेंजीन के साथ है तो इट विल बी मिथाइल बेंजोएट. ओके, अगर ये ग्रुप आपका इस तरीके से दे दिया O C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3, अब क्या होगा, नाउ दिस बेंजीन रिंग विल बिकम फिनाइल, बिकॉज इसको एल्काइल बनाना है तो इट इज फिनाइल, एंड व्हाट इज दैट, दिस इज इथेनॉइट. So what will be the functional group? What will be the nomenclature? Phenyl ethanoate. So do it step by step. So you will find the right answer. अब जैसे अगर आपके पास है ये कंपाउंड CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O एंड C2H5, ये कंपाउंड है. अब पहले आप इसको सर्कल कर लेंगे और ये बन गया इथाइल. अब ये जो आपका है ये है आपका प्रोपेनॉइड, क्योंकि 3 कार्बन एटम है स्ट्रेट चेन में, और ये है आपका मिथाइल. तो इथाइल तो पहले आ जाएगा क्योंकि हमने बनाना है एल्काइल एल्केनॉइड. इथाइल हो गया और प्रोपेनॉइड भी हो गया, प्रोपेनॉइड भी हो गया. लेकिन सेकंड पोजीशन पे मिथाइल ग्रुप इज अटैच, सो वी विल राइट इथाइल टू मिथाइल, इथाइल टू मिथाइल प्रोपेनॉइड, क्योंकि ये जो कंपाउंड है ये है 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेनॉइड. सो यू विल डू स्टेप बाय स्टेप. इथाइल सेपरेट कर दिया, देन OH सेपरेट कर दिया, एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट इफ इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द चेन. तो यू विल गेट इथाइल 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेनॉइड. Till today, till now, we have completed most of the functional groups that are very much important in the 11th and 12th standard. Now, in between, we will do more functional groups, but in the next lecture, we will discuss about the more examples regarding the functional groups that we have covered till today. That will be alcohol, ester, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. So, till then, you have to do the priority rule first. After that, you can choose what will be the suffix and what will be the prefix.